You can create a unique clock-style photo collage template in Canva, perfect for selling as a digital printable. Start a new design with square dimensions. Go to Elements, then Frames. And select the circle frame. Place one circle at the top center of your canvas. Duplicate that circle 3 times. Position the duplicates at the bottom, the right 3 o'clock position, and the left 9 o'clock position. Select all 4 circles and group them. Duplicate this group and place the copy directly over the original. Rotate the duplicated group by 30 degrees. Then, duplicate this rotated group and rotate the new copy by 60 degrees. Open the Layers panel, select all grouped circles and ungroup them. Then, go to the Arrange panel and reset their rotation to 0 degrees. Add a much larger circle from Elements. Place it behind all other layers to serve as the background. Select all the small circle frames. Apply an outline or stroke, and choose a color for it. Add one final small circle. Color it black, shrink it, and place it precisely in the center as the clock's pivot point. You can optionally add clock hands from the Elements menu, placing them over the center point. Your template is ready. Users will upload their photos into each circle frame. Save your final design as a template file for selling.